Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve this question number 7 of same exercise 12.3. Okay, now what your question number 7 is asking students, just we have to first simplify these expressions, okay, and then we have to find their values when x is equal to 3 given, a is equal to -1 given and b is equal to -2 is given. Okay, now so let us first simplify the expressions and then we will find out the values of those expression as for the given value of the variable. ठीक है, now the very first expression given students 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. ठीक है, so here if you will look at the expression students, then these expressions are not in simplified form. Simplified form means what students, है ना, कि वो और हल नहीं हो सकता है, वो और सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है, लाइक इफ यू विल सी हियर टू कॉन्स्टेंट्स आर देयर, सो दे कैन बी मर्ज्ड आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग द ऑपरेशन, दे कैन बिकम वन टर्म. Now see, these two are also like terms, so if you will merge them, if you will perform the operation, then they will also become one term. So let us perform the operation and let us first simplify the expression and then we will put the value of the variable and find out the value of the expression. So followed by equal to sign, write all the like terms together, 3x minus 5 and plus 9. Now here one positive one negative, so subtract them and consider the sign of greater number. So here you will get 2x and then after performing the operation here 9 minus 5 you will get plus 4 as the sign of greater number is considered. 9 is greater, having plus sign, so plus 4 will come. Now this is the simplified form of the expression. Now put the value of x. Here no a is there, no b is there in the expression, so we will neglect the value of a and b. Okay, as we are having only one variable in the simplified expression, that is x, and the value of x is given 3, so we will put here the value of x 3 and we will find out the value of the expression. So here 2 into 3 plus 4. Okay, so 2 into 3 will give you 6 plus 4 will give you finally as 10. That is the value of the expression will be 10 at x is equal to 3 students. Okay, moving to next segment number 2. Now the expression for segment number 2 is given as 2 into 2 minus 8x plus 4x and plus 4. Now again if you will look at the expression students, then these expressions are not solved or simplified in the simplest form. As you can see, these two are like terms and these two are like terms, so write them together, perform the operation, get the simplified form of the expression and then put the value of the variable and get the value of the variable. ठीक है, now followed by equal to sign, 2 plus 4, both the like terms together, minus 8x plus 4x. Now perform the operation. 4 plus 2 will give you 6. Here we will perform the operation of subtraction, as 1 is plus 1 is minus and consider the sign of greater number. So here greater is 8, so minus sign will come. 8 minus 4 will give 4 followed by the variable. So you will have here the expression 6 minus 4x. Okay, now if you will put the value of the expression students, as here no a no b is there, so we will forget the value of a and b. We will see, चूँकि हमारा फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन में सिर्फ x है, तो हम सिर्फ x की वैल्यू को कंसीडर करेंगे, a और b की वैल्यू को कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, सो लेट अस पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x, that is 4 into 3. Okay, now 6 minus, if you will multiply them you will get 12. Now here one number is plus and one number is minus, so if you will subtract and consider the sign of greater number, so 12 minus 6 will give you 6, and since 12 is greater having minus sign, so in the result we will have minus 6 as our final value. Okay, moving to next segment students, segment number 3. The expression for segment number 3 is given as 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1 is there. Okay, now again if you will look at the expression carefully students, then it is not in the simplified form. As you can see that these are like terms, this a and a containing, this is constant, this is constant, so write them together and perform the operation and get them in simplified form. So 3a minus 8a plus 5 plus 1. Now here if you will perform the operation, one is greater number, one is positive and another is negative students. So if you will perform the operation, then here basically you will have to subtract and consider the sign of greater number. Okay, so 8 minus 3 you will have 5, 8 is having minus sign, so here you will have minus and followed by the variable. Now here both are plus, so 5 plus 1 will give you plus 6. So this is the simplified form of the expression. Now here we are not having the variables x and b, so we will neglect them. Finally we will put the value of a only, that is a is equal to minus 1. So here minus 5 as it is and a is equal to minus 1 plus 6 as it is. Now if you will multiply, then before 5 minus sign is there and before 1 minus sign is there. So minus into minus will give you plus and 5 into 1 will give you 5. Okay, so here you will have plus 5 and plus 6 was earlier, so plus 5 plus 6 will give you 11 as your value of the expression at x is equal to minus 1. Now moving to next segment, segment number 4 students. The expression for segment number 4 is given as 10 minus 3b, 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Now again if you will look at the expression students, then it is not in the simplified form. So first we will simplify them. Like you can see, this will be, this is b, so both are like term and here both are like term, so write them together and get the simplified form of the expression. So here 10 minus 4 and then minus b and then minus 5b, minus 3b minus 5b. Okay, now if you will perform the operation here students, one is positive, another is negative, so we will basically subtract them and consider the sign of greater number. 10 is greater, having plus sign, so in the result we will have plus sign, so no need of writing. Okay, now 10 minus 4 you will have 6 and here both are having same sign, minus sign, so we will add them and consider the sign minus. So 5 plus 3 will give you minus 8 followed by the variable. This is the simplified form of the expression. Now here a and x is not there, so forget them and put the value of b, that is b is equal to minus 2. Okay, so here 6 minus 8 into minus 2. Okay, now here if you will perform the operation students, then 6 written as it is, before 8 minus sign is there, so minus into minus will give you plus and 8 to the 16. Now if you will add them, 16 plus 6 you will have 22 as your final expression, final value of the expression students. Okay, now moving to last segment students. Here the last segment, that is here I am going to solve students last segment. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. Last segment, here I am going to solve fifth segment. Okay, so the fifth segment is given 2a minus 2b, 2a minus 2b, okay, minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 minus 5 and then plus a is there. Okay, now again if you will look at the expression students, then it is not in the simplified form. Okay, so first what we will do, first we will convert it into simplified form. As you can see, this one and this one are like term, this one and this one are like term, so write them together and perform the operation. So here 2a then plus a, okay, minus 2b as it is, minus 4 as it is, minus 5 as it is. Now perform the operation. Both are plus students, so 2a plus a means 2 plus 1, that is 3 followed by the variable a. Okay, now minus 2b written as it is. Okay, and then here both are having minus sign, so we will add them and consider the sign of minus only, that is 4 plus 5 minus 9 will give. This is the simplified form of the expression. Now here x variable is not involved, only a and b is there, so put the value of a and b and get the value of the expression and forget about x. Now followed by equal to sign, 3 into what is the value of A, minus 1, minus 2 into what is the value of B, minus 2, and then minus 9 as it is. See, just I have put the value of A and B, students, nothing else. A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to minus 2. Okay, now perform the operation. See, before 3 plus sign is there, before 1 minus sign is there, so plus into minus will give you minus in the result. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3. Now before 2 minus sign is there, and before 2 again minus sign is there, so minus minus will give you plus sign. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 and minus 9 as it is, minus 9 as it is. Now this one and this one both are having same sign, that is minus sign, so add them and consider the sign minus. So 9 plus 3 you will get minus 12 and plus 4. Now if you will add them, as one is positive another one is negative, so we will subtract them. Okay, and we will consider the sign of greater number. Here greater number is 12, so in the result we will have minus. Now subtract them, 12 minus 4 you will get 8. So this is the final value, that is minus 8 is the final value of the expression 3a minus 2b minus 9 at a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2. So this was your question number 7, students. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.